Hello, today I will be having a look at the bead box, which is this one. See, all sorts of beads. So it starts with 1, which is this one, goes to 2, 3, 4, and so on and so on and so on until 10. So this material is available in the classroom, so the children can lay out the timetable. And how that works, I will show you. It's a very concrete material, so instead of just having numbers like, for example, 4, 8, 12, 16 and so on, the child will actually see the quantity of this number and will get an awareness of how much it actually is, what they're doing there. And also there's quite a cool pattern that the children can observe. I'll show you. So let's start. Come on, I show you a really cool thing. Sit down with me. Let's lay out the timetable number 4. 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So I wonder how much we're going to have when we take 4 2 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. What about 3 times? 1, 2, 3, 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. 9, 10, 11, 12. 37, 38, 39, 40. 40. So we arrived at 40. Interesting here is, at first we have a rectangular. Then we have a rectangular that's a bit fatter. Further on we have a rectangular fatter again. And this is a square. So this is 4 by 4. 4, height 2. 4 squared. Here we have a rectangular, but suddenly it's flipped the other way around. You know, it's very long, but not as wide. Here it grows even longer. And here it grows longer again. Longer again, longer again, and very long, isn't it? So a child can see how when you add the same amount towards it, it will be the same width, but it does grow longer. So that is the starting of geometrics, isn't it? You know, of developing formulas. There's another material which shows all these 4 by 4, 3 by 3, 2 by 2, 1 by 1, which is kind of the 2-dimension. It is 3-dimensional, isn't it? But it's somewhat compatible to the pink tower, maybe. When a child is doing this, let me just show. Look, there's none left of the yellow ones. So it's the self-correcting material. There's no need for a teacher to stand next to the child and point out to them, you've done something wrong. The child will figure it out. If they put one bar somewhere too many, well, they'll find it. You know, they'll figure it out. And this is also great for skip counting. 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, and so on. So they can do skip counting doing this as well, which is an important exercise to get familiar with numbers as well, isn't it? That's what humans do. We just love it. So here we are. That's the timetable 4, concretely displayed. When a child is doing this, they will have some awareness of multiplication possibly and other operations, division, plus, minus. It's all happening at the same time. So once a child is turning 4, they will be able to start with this. Maybe they don't want to start with a 4. Maybe they want to start with the 1, where you only have to be able to count up to 10. And even then, if you can't count to 10, they probably figure it out because it's just such a beautiful sight. And this is what you want to see, right? It's relaxing to the eye. So you're trying to get to this. Even when you're doing the 1 or the 2, the child can work themselves up. And once they're doing these ones, they're working with high numbers and they're counting out a lot of beads, which is great. Gives them another full of sense opportunity to be counting. So there we are. From here, the child will not only be moving on through the bigger stages, but they might be starting to develop formulas. They can write little tiles, put it above it, or if they don't want to write, they can use the movable letters, numbers. And they can move on to a multiplication board, maybe do that again, do bigger multiplications, just get a real concrete familiarity with what this material is for. There we are. You're welcome.